This is Dr. Steinke, and what we're doing is we're removing an Unna boot, which we use to reduce swelling after an injury. Now, the best way to do this is, one, know where your injury is. So if this patient had swelling because of a wound, and you have a big wound right here, you don't want to drag a scissor through that area. But we always want to use a bandage scissor, and we're pulling this away from the underlying skin as we cut. And if we have to take it off in layers, we'll take it off in layers. But we always start from above, and I'm pulling away as I cut with the scissor, making sure that I'm not scraping the patient with the tip of the scissor tip there. Now, if a patient's at home and they're saying they're having issues with the dressing, they would take it off layer by layer, just the way we put it on, just unwrapping it slowly. Sometimes it is much easier to come from the bottom. We're just slowly cutting that. I think we got our eBay scissor here, or not eBay, but Amazon scissor. I'm dating myself by saying eBay. But you can see sometimes it's hard to get all the layers at once, but we're just taking that slowly apart, and we'll show you in a minute when we're all done. And so you can take it off in layers. You can always do, the cast padding and then the last layer of the Unna at once. Sometimes you can get all three. It just depends on how much that patient's swelling has reduced. Now, I literally just applied this for demonstration, so her swelling hasn't come down because she didn't really have any. But again, if it had been a week later, the patient should be less swollen. It'll kind of pull away from the skin much easier. And all this paste material would have dried out, so you'll just see kind of a white paste in the skin, but it won't be actually, pasty like that. And then afterwards, obviously the swelling was an issue, so we're gonna do something to reduce that, be it compression stocking or an ACE bandage, and continue with icing just to make sure we don't have a recurrence. And if it was secondary to a systemic condition that causes swelling, obviously we're going to address the cause of that as well. And that's the removal of an Unna boot.